Good morning. Myself Shalini, studying in Aerode Secondary Engineering College, final year, Biomedical Engineering. So today we are looking about the subject is healthcare product development. So that subject we have now one topics. Today's we are discussing. The topic is monitoring product performance and patient safety. So we are next go to introduction. Post marketing ethics involves responsibilities after product approvals. Then ensure continuous evaluation of the safety, quality, and performance in every equipment and product. New products we are developing. So every product in having a correct safety protocols. So then applies medical devices, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare technologies. The main goal in our topic is to protect patient health and maintain trust. Mainly we can protect the patient's health and maintenance. So next we are see about the post market surveillance. Post market surveillance we are simply known as PMS. The process of the collecting and analyzing of the data after marketing approval. So on data is every marketing first collecting and analysis of the previous product data, then including safety monitoring, induced reporting, and corrective actions. Integral for a quality management and regulatory compliances. So next we are looking about the diagram in a post marketing surveillance. This is the key main role in the pharmaceutical diabetes and a risk based PSUR and data minimizing analysis and registration. Then this is the process of a post marketing surveillance. First we are developing a PSMN plan, then next step move to obtain necessary approvals, then PMS implementation, data collection, data analysis, reporting, and risk medications and corrective actions, then close out our update PMS plan. So first we are ready to plan a PMS plan. Next we can move the objective of the post market ethics. So these the four main objective of these PMS: ensure patient safety and product efficiency, promote transparency in a reporting, every report in a have enough transparency of the report, then prevent ethics violence and corporate negligence, support sustainable innovations. So next we are looking about the post marketing surveillance and investigation. Investigation we are the purpose of PMS, ethics of PMS, final objective surveillance of the system. These are the three major types. So now we are looking about the monitoring efficiency of the product in a open market. Then detect and advise the reactions after drug in a markets used in a by large number of patients. In first we are count every how many number of patients take these types of drugs. So that like we can collect the data. The maintain product safety under corporate sectors. The ethics of the PMS, consumers product and product safety, identification documents of potential safety issues, ensuring the customer acceptance and economic feasibility. In every ethics is the comes under in economics. Final objective of the surveillance system: identification of the product use the patterns leading to adverse reactions, relative indicates rates and characterization, frequency of the occurrence of adverse effects and determination. Then the ethical foundations. The ethical foundations we have in these product how to benefits and justify, integrate, and accountability. So first we are looking benefits is the promote patient welfare and integrity and accountability in data and communications. Then we are next move in a life cycle of a healthcare product. Life cycle of a healthcare product. So these are the four major life cycle of a healthcare product. First in a research and development. Next we can move to clinical trials. Then regulatory approvals and post marketing surveillance and safety evaluation. First these steps in one net cycle format: research and development, then manufacturing, financial activity, effective information system, marketing, promotion. These in each every steps we have some different topics. So next we are look about the key components of the post marketing monitorings, adverse event reporting system, performance evaluation reports, and post marketing clinical follow up. The post marketing clinical follow up is also same as a PMS. Product recalls and field corrections, risk benefits reassessment. Reassessment is not nothing but again we are taking to the PMS plans. So next, adverse event reporting. Adverse event reporting is a report of a side effect or device malfunctions. In a healthcare product, we can develop in a many types of products. So every product does not work in a very good. Some products is having a malfunctions troubleshooting. So the types of reporting collecting these adverse event reporting. Data analyzed to detect the safety patterns. Agencies is the FDA, MedWatch, EMA, and India it's having a private limited and a EMVPE. So the major four roles of the post marketing clinical follow-ups. The post marketing clinical follow-up is having a two steps. One is the study and next one is the survey. The studies having a three steps. The survey is having a two steps. Studies having a real world evidence and a new clinical investigation, then the post marketing investigation follow. Next, the surveys having a patient and medical practitioners. Post marketing clinical follow ups. So the post marketing clinical follow ups is having a same as the PMS in 7 steps. First in a PMS-CF plans, then the data collection, data analysis, information and regulatory actions, then the monitoring evaluation and the PMCF evaluation report, then risk management, benefit risk and CE approval. CE approvals. So these is the basic 4 main steps in a post marketing clinical follow up for a medical device. One medical device we can design, so that time we can follow these types of 7 PMCF rules. So in a PMS we can collecting in a old data. In these PMCF we can collecting in a real time data. So this is the major difference of PMCF and PMS. The role of regulatory agencies. FDA is a post marketing safety and recall authorities. EMA is the CDSCO. Then WHO, the global reporting coordinations. Ethical responsibilities of manufacturers. So one device we can develop, so the device is having a certain ethics, rules and regulatories. So what the major 4 types of ethics for maintain a data integrity and honest reporting, implement strong risk management, act promotely with recalls when needed, ensures the transparent communications. In every report and having a very good transparent communication, then only the peoples and hospitals trust to buy the device. So that the device is having a data integrate and honest report. In every product development companies or industries we can give a very honest report, then only we can identify which device can suitable for in our real time patients. Then only we can need in a very honest reports. Then ethical challenges. What type of ethical challenges we can look about the developing a new product? Data manipulations, uh, under reporting due to the corporate pressure, delay in a recalls for profit, uh, privacy and global inconsistency in standards. These type of ethical challenges in a seen every hospitals and every industries. The data manipulation, Underreporting it means doing some other industries. So real world case studies. So next, PMCF is the mainly focusing on the real world case studies. The real world case studies is having a top 10 the data analysis and a case in a healthcare, how we can identify the healthcare real time data, disease control, prescription process, personalized healthcare, timely detection and interventions, real-time monitoring of operations, efficient supply chain management, insurance claims, and financial risk management, reduced inpatient readmissions. These types of real world case studies we can look and identify the type of case studies. So these in our project, in our title, how we can relate it to the real world applications. In a real world application, Josens and Josen hip implants recycle ignored the reported cost harm. Vicks painkiller withdrawal, cardiovascular side effect. Vicks is not just in a spray like it have in a one type of tablets like lessons the early willingness to prevent ethical failure. So this is the nowadays we are applying these types of real-time applications we have. Then we are look about the risk benefits reassessment. In a one type of device we can design, so that device we can again we reassess and redesign. It's a very big process. So what type of risk we have having ongoing evaluation of product risk and benefits. Now if risk outweigh benefits, recall or redesigns. Patient safety remains priority. These type of redesigns and reassessment only is mainly focusing on patient safety. So we are designing in a one type of prosthetic arm. That arm does not fix in a patient's hand. So that time we can again redesign and reassess that arm. So not just in an arm, in every product does not suit in a patient. So that time we can take responsibilities to redesign the product. It is mainly focusing on a patient safety and remains priority. So next we are look about the role of healthcare professionals. Healthcare professionals have a main major roles. Now, report adverse events promotely, educate patients on safe product use, collaborate in a data collection, uphold ethical medical practice. In a role of one device can design, then the device is sell in a one patients. So that patient does not the patients does not know how the product we can use. So that time these type of healthcare professionals go and teach and give an awareness of that device. So what type of responsibilities we have? Staffing, marketing, finance and hospital operations, planning and policy marketing, human resource management, nothing but HR management, patient satisfaction and public reactions. These types of responsibilities having we can design next another and need the patient need of product we can develop. Then a patient-centered approach. In a patient-centered approach in including a patient in a reporting and feedback, then communicating a risk clearly accessibility. Ensure informed consent and a follow-up studies. In a patient-centered approaches we can mainly in a focusing for a patients in a communication risk and clearly accessibility. Does not have in a communicate a risk. The patient reporting and feedbacking. Every patient in a many patients give the reporting and feedbacking for our product. This product is work in a very good, very clearly, and give a readings and it's given a like temperature sensors automatically change in every time. So in a many patients given a feedback like this product does not work in a very good, this does not given a real time of accurate. So that time we so these types of reports and feedbacks we have collecting in a patients. So next look about the technological tool in a monitoring. In a, every product in a current generation, every product is included in a technologies. What type of technologies we are already very well in these types of AI is artificial intelligence and big data detect in a safety signals. Artificial intelligence is a very big tool of in a healthcare. So the AI is given a real time of accurate results. Then a blockchain is having in a cloud missing data. It's in a telemedicine and a transparency transport data. These type of blockchains is using in a US based clients and patients. Next, IoT devices in a enable remote monitoring, remote nurses. So that type of then mobile apps like a Blink IoT. It's given a notifications. Patients have you can take a tablet. This is the right time you go to sleep. So that time of that type of reminder sense we can using mobile apps support easy patient reporting. Then future directions. uh, every every topic we have in a one type of future direction. So what is that in our today's topic future direction is global ethical standards and harmonizations. Then real time safety database. In every product based data is collecting only in a real time, does not fake. uh, greater greater transparency in a public databases and protection to safety reporting. Then we can finally look about the conclusion is a post marketing ethics and patient safety beyond approvals, continuously willingness to ensure trust and innovations. Ethical monitoring is safer healthcare and sustainable progress. We can very ethical monitoring. Ethically means this product in a safer healthcare and sustainable progress. Then continuous willingness and ensure trust. So marketing, this is the post marketing ethics. Post marketing ethics in a healthcare product developments. So that's all our topic. Thank you.